Good morning everyone. So as you can see, I'm out walking my dog on a pretty chilly autumnal morning. We're going to head down to Newmarket Harley today after watching the Harley Davidson YouTube video on the 2026 models. It actually got me quite amped to go down there and just hang out and take you guys for the ride. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just going to head out to Krazy Horse first. Just going to grab a coffee and then we'll head on down to Newmarket Harley. Hopefully show you guys some bikes, show you around the shop, see if they got anything new in. I might pick up a t-shirt, you know, just got some cool merch out at the moment. Leaving Krazy Horse now, just going to head up to Newmarket Harley. Just leaving Newmarket Harley now. Everyone was like really friendly in there. It was actually a really nice experience. Alright, that sums up that episode. I hope you enjoyed that one. It's really interesting speaking to one of the guys in Newmarket Harley. He said there's only 2 Harley Davidsons left in the UK, which is actually quite sad, you know. Once they close and you're desperate for a new battery or stuff, and just hope that their online store gets a little bit better over here where we can order parts pretty easily from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed that episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.